everybody, it's Heather from the Nocatee Welcome Center, and guess what, guys? I'm back with my good friend Ira of Providence Homes by Bill Seller, and he has a quick move-in ready for you here in the beautiful community of Crosswinds. Ira, thanks for having us.
Oh, I'm so happy to have you here. Now, a few weeks ago, we did the model home of this same floor plan, same elevation, and now you get to see it without the model home features. And Carling said she could put a link to it in the video notes.
Absolutely. So if you do want to see how Providence Homes put furniture in this home and laid it out, definitely check out that original video that Ira and I did here in Crosswinds.
Now what you just saw was the powder bath on the entrance, which is away from everything and a place for your guests to use that keeps them away from all the bedrooms. Look at this lovely 2,500 square foot house, the way it's set up. I love this kitchen. And Carling, if you can check out over here, you've got a door to the oversized garage and then the laundry room.
Absolutely beautiful. And I love also the colors that are chosen in here. Light colors, they did the white but beautiful quartz countertops with the vein coming through. They have that throughout. I also love, and Carling will show this, but the handles that they've chosen, beautiful gold ones in here. But in the laundry room, they chose a beautiful silver. It's a polished nickel. It's beautiful. And then with those navy cabinets, are the navy showing up, you think, on camera? I hope everyone's being able to see this because everyone knows I love a laundry room, but I really love the navy color. And then again, Providence carried that here in the kitchen.
Standard soft close drawers, we put in our spec homes standard soft close drawers. These are upgraded appliances, and this is a cafe, GE cafe hood, which is my favorite of all of them. And there's a special secret about this house, Heather.
Okay.
This house and a select few have an additional incentive of $40,000 in rate buy down and closing cost funds.
Okay, everyone, did you hear that? So Providence Homes has great incentives, and Ira just said a pretty incredible rate buy down. So you've got to call him today here in Crosswinds because this is going to sell quickly with that.
So everybody who's worrying about the cost of money, which is trending down, boom, there goes your cost of money with those $40,000 of rate buy down.
We'll get you here in Nocatee before school year starts, and while you can still enjoy the beautiful summer here and come to our splash and spray water parks. And Carling is showing the beautiful vaulted ceiling. Got lots of lighting in here, but also as we came in, and Ira mentioned this is the model home, all the beautiful natural light coming in this space.
Now there is a couple of things that are different from the model home. Some of them, you know, like the model home had the outdoor kitchen. This one has a gas drop over there so you can create your own. But this is actually bigger than the model home. And I'm going to show you why as soon as we go into the owner's suite.
All right, guys, you heard it. So this floor plan is going to be bigger. And even on the second floor, I think you told me one of the rooms is a bit bigger.
Actually, that upstairs is the same size, but this owner suite here has that bay window, which pushes this area out an extra 3 feet and adds all that light and openness into it. They've also added the tray ceiling. Now at the model home, it had a vaulted ceiling, which is very nice, but with that you can't have the tray, obviously, and it eliminates the bay window.
Beautiful. And didn't you say the garage? I know we don't show it, but isn't the garage bigger or
The
bumped
garage
out?
has a 4-foot bump in it, as does one of the upstairs bedrooms that's over the garage. So you've really got that extra room for storage or golf carts or whatever you need your garage for.
4 feet is 4 feet, so I'll take it upstairs and I'll take it downstairs. And look at the, are you kidding me? Are we in a spa right now? We've got plenty of space in there.
That is the party shower. Yep, invite all your friends.
But absolutely beautiful, tile to the ceiling, lots of vanity space, which I really love, all the beautiful cabinets. And again, they've carried that beautiful navy color. That is, I can't say enough about the color of the cabinets. It is one of my favorite colors.
I'm so glad you like it.
Very much feels like a spa in here.
And if you notice while we're talking, how quiet this house is.
Yes.
And part of that, besides being bathed in natural light, it's encased by standard 6-inch walls with R21 insulation. And while that may be the most boring sentence I say all day, it's so important to your enjoyment of any home. And we're the only builder around here that does that.
Okay, so that's important. So I want everyone to rewind the tape because you need to understand how Providence Homes is building your home. Construction of homes is very important. So what Ira is trying to just tell you is why this home is quiet. He's giving you the reasons that a lot of us don't understand.
We talk about that chocolate bunny and the foam against the roof deck, and it's all relevant, and the EPA Indoor Air Plus certification, the Energy Star certification, but those 6-inch R21 walls are a standard feature in every Providence house.
All right, guys, and you can learn more about Providence Homes by going to Nocatee.com and also clicking on the neighborhood tab. You can see the beautiful floor plans that they have here in the Crosswinds community and also the quick move-in page. And Carling, you do a great job. The team at Park Group does a great job on Nocatee.com. And again, learning more about our builders, such as the wonderful Providence Homes by Bill Seller. As we're going up the stairs, I want to remind people that this particular community has a golf cart path to Pine Island Academy, which is the K through 8, literally steps away. So if you do have children in the kindergarten through 8th grade, you really have the best location. Best location.
I love the geography of Crosswinds. It's a 1.5 miles from US 1.
So easy to get in and out is what
Absolutely.
Ira's saying. Easy to get in and out. And look at this room. We're going to pause for a minute because I love these 3 bedrooms upstairs.
They all have big walk-in closets. This one has a bathroom suite in it. There's a lot going on in this upstairs.
I'll say favorite child gets this one.
Highest GPA, favorite child.
Highest GPA, there you go.
There you go.
There's your incentive, favorite child. Or it could be a guest space. I mean, there's so much you can do with this, but I do love that in this particular bedroom, you do have the full bath within it. But then for the other 2 bedrooms, guess what, guys? They're not just little small squares. They're nice size rooms with, again, walk-in closets.
With walk-in closets. And this house is 2,500 square feet.
It feels bigger.
It's a big house,
Yeah, it does feel
nonetheless. This is a big living area for your kids. The model home had a little built-in right here, which you can replicate, or just stage it with furniture as you would use it.
This really is, I mean, this is not your standard small loft. This is a giant room. So if you do have kids, you can move all their stuff up here. Keep the first floor perfectly clean for your adult guests, I'll say.
Yeah.
I love that. And if you don't have all the kids here at home, maybe they've gone off to college and you're an empty nester, these rooms are great. You could do a workout room, you could do 2 offices, a guest room with 2 offices. It's really endless, this space, because of the size of the bedrooms.
And Heather, none of the bedrooms share a wall.
No,
so
you're
if
right.
you have a need to work in extra private, or you just want your bedroom to be private, or you have a HIPAA law that you need to abide by, this floor plan is ideal for you.
It really is. And again, this is a quick move in that Ira is ready for you to sell to you today, I should say. I also, with this location, Crosswinds, another huge thing. And we did a video on a golf cart. Pam, my coworker, my fabulous coworker, did a great video to show you Crosswinds is literally a golf cart, a bike ride, or walking distance away from Settlers Pond.
Settlers Pond, Crosswater Park, even the new park over at Seabrook Park.
Seabrook Park is not far. It's all connected. So again, everybody, Nocatee is the place to be. And I want to remind you, 50 neighborhoods, they've all been announced. We are at the final end. So Ira's ready to sell you this today because when it's gone, it's gone.
And this and a select few quick move-ins, this one's move-in ready, $40,000 in rate buy-down money. $40,000.
$40,000, guys. All right, call Ira today. Providence Homes by Bill Seller, always a winner, and thank you for being a part of the Nocatee family. Bye, guys.
See ya.
Bye.